Hey, what's going on? Once again, it's your man Big John, John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. But right now I'm in Georgia with my man Chry. Him and his fiance got this Chrysler 300 that we drove down here to get. He gonna tell y'all a little bit about what's going on.
Yeah, what's up YouTube? It's Chry. You know, basically we seen the videos. We like the work my man's been doing, so basically that's why we reached out. You know, he showed love. Let's show you what's going on. But basically what we're gonna do is a total cover change. We're going inside and out with it. You know, that's basically what it is. Hopefully when we get it back, it's gonna be a total different color. We ain't gonna say what it is right now, but you know, y'all be on the lookout for it.
Y'all hear him, Chry.
We down here in McDonough, Georgia.
That's right. Get that back window. That's the car club right there. Y'all see the vehicle. We're doing a total color change on it, both of the colors. Eliminating it, going with something new. The inside going to be redone as well. That's all going to match the outside. The rim's going to be redone. And like he said, we in McDonough, Georgia, coming from Virginia Beach. Drove 9.5 hours. Y'all see the trucky trailers. Y'all know how we do.
Yeah, I mean, basically the first time wasn't right, so I mean, you know, the second time we got to get it right this time. First time, the work wasn't up to par, so we got to do what we got to do, you know.
No disrespect to the other shops down here in Georgia, because I know it's a lot of shops putting down, you know, good work out here, but they was told this was candy. I can't see it. I don't know if y'all can see it, YouTube, but I can't really see if it's candy. It ain't popping like that candy's supposed to. But you know, no disrespect, like I said, I don't down no shops, no businesses, but you're supposed to give people what they paid for. So now we drove 9 hours, like he said, and we taking it back. We're gonna do our thing to it. Go ahead. My son, young Carter, holding the camera. Walk around the car, son. Show him the car. Let me hold the camera so I can let them see the truck and the trailer. Y'all see the car, trailer. John Restoration, we ain't playing. We ain't only trying to be in Virginia, we trying to be in Virginia and beyond. Y'all see the workhorse right here. And I ain't even painted this one yet. I put the fours on it, put the tint. Now we're getting ready to do the paint on this one. You know, this John's Restoration, it gotta stand out, gotta represent. The female that drives this car goes by the name of Miss Henny, for those of y'all that know her. She from north of Virginia, but she live down here in Georgia now. So we're gonna take it back, get it done. That's the club she got. John's Restoration. Contact number is 757-713-2277. Email is johnsrestoration@aol.com. That's JOHNS restoration@aol.com. Give me a call, let me know if you're next. Let me know if you're trying to get your vehicle picked up and redone. Good day.